Hi guys, it's Pete here, great to see you here. I got my little plasma torch delivered here today, my AG60 torch, so I thought I'd let you guys have a look, see what you think. Hi guys, this is my AG60 or SG55 or WSG60, SD60 torch, depending on where you live in the world, but they're all basically the same torch. I just got this delivered today. Pretty awesome little torch. Arrived in a couple of days from when I ordered it, even better. And yeah, the price is crazy, mate. 12 bucks. I mean, absolutely unbelievable. 12 bucks. What else did I get? I got a consumable set as well that I brought. So this is what we've got in the consumable set here. We've got 2 ceramic cups. Awesome. 1, 2. We got 10 cutting tips. They're quite heavy. So they're there. Got 10 of them. And 10 electrodes. Cool. To fit the same torch, of course, with your AG60 or your SG55 torch. So we've got a set of 10 of each of them. And a couple of wire spacers that go on your torch. Pretty cool. Go on your torch, just like this one here. Yeah, just like that. So they go on there. And this whole set here, guys, 26 bucks. You can go and buy that from your local welding shop and see what it cost you there. I mean, 26 bucks, you can't go wrong. Excellent. Good value, excellent quality, and I love the price. It's not that I'm cheap or anything, it's just that I like a bargain. So if you want to buy any of them, just click the link below. And if you like what you see in my videos, remember to subscribe to my video. Yeah, thanks guys. Hi guys, hope you liked what you saw. Yeah, I reckon those consumables are really good value. Sure beats paying the prices that they want at the local welding shops anyway, I can tell you that for nothing. Anyway, if you like what you see on my videos, subscribe to my videos. And if you want to buy any bits and pieces like I'm showing you below, just click down below and there'll be a link there and you can buy them from there. Anyway, I'm going to go and have some fun with my new plasma torch now. See you later guys.